because there's income there. You don't have to charge the exact same fee to the guest that your cleaner is charging you. You can use that spread to, you know, restock items and things like that. So there's definitely income in the cleaning fees.
Stamp on it. All right. Turbocharge. I love it. No, it's very powerful. So let's talk about fees. So you mentioned fees, and I'm very curious. So you talked about your enemy, the enemy. Wow, you gotta copyright all these. These are solid. The enemy method, right? So I'm scouring around and I'm looking at these fees, and this is something that we're testing as well ourselves. Let's talk about that for a second. If someone's maybe their first short-term rental, or maybe they have a few, what are some sources where you're actually outsourcing your cleaning, and what is a good rate with respect to, again, the marketplace and maybe the bedroom ratio, and how should it be structured? I'm asking you like three, I'm turbocharging the question here. There's like three questions in one, but let's talk about those fees, those cleaning fees for a second.
Okay, cleaning fees. Mm-hmm. I charge so my cleaner charges per clean, and my properties are in areas where cleaning short-term rentals has been an industry for a long time. So it's probably different in a metro market, but my cleaner charges me a set amount per clean. 1 bedrooms are a certain amount, 2 bedrooms are a certain amount. If it has something, not a weird thing, but like a weird feature, like jacuzzi tubs where she's got to get down there and clean the jets, that's an extra fee. And we charge our guests between $20 and $50 more than what our cleaner charges us. We just because there's income. Everybody's like, oh, the cleaning fees are passed through. That can't be counted in your gross. It can't be counted in your gross, but it has to be counted in your gross because you're getting 1099 on your gross number from Airbnb and Vrbo. So you can't just not count that. But then B, it's not a true pass-through expense because there's income there. You don't have to charge the exact same fee to the guest that your cleaner is charging you. You can use that spread to, you know, restock items and things like that. So there's definitely income in the cleaning fees.
Okay, so thanks for watching another segment brought to you by my team at Invested Talent. Now, if you would like similar content for your brand repurposed, make sure you text us repurpose at 678-679-5613. That's repurpose at 678-679-5613. And my team will make sure that we give you the blueprint so that you can repurpose your content and amplify your message on social media. We'll see you on the other side.